Are you scared of maths? Do you hate this subject? Then you are not the only one. Because there are many more kids who are not too fond of this subject. I have met children who say कि मैथ्स के कॉन्सेप्ट्स कुछ समझ नहीं आते, सारा सिर के ऊपर से निकल जाता है. Hariom, Namaskaram. In today's episode of Inspiring Young Minds, I will tell you techniques to follow so that you can get rid of the phobia that exists in you regarding this subject mathematics, and also I will tell you strategies to improve your grades in this particular subject. The first thing, I have heard many people say कि बचपन में हमें जो भी कुछ पढ़ाया गया सिखाया गया वो आज किसी काम का नहीं है. बचपन में हमने जो भी फॉर्मूलाज रटे याद किए वो डेली लाइफ में कुछ काम नहीं आते. इज इट ट्रू और इज दिस जस्ट अ मिथ? मैथ्स हैज इट्स एप्लीकेशंस इन डे टू डे लाइफ. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, trigonometry is used in computer graphics, navigation, architecture and criminology. Similarly, algebra is used in fitness, interiors, sports, and you would be shocked and surprised to know that it is even used in cooking. ज्ञान के अभाव में लोग बोल देते हैं कि ये किसी काम का नहीं है, but that actually is not the truth. The second thing, many children ask a question, why should I study maths? Maths पढ़ के क्या हो जाएगा? You might have heard many people say that in today's competitive world, only owning a degree is not sufficient. You need to develop your skills equally. And this is where maths comes to help you. Maths helps us in skill development. But how? In your school, you might have noticed that your teachers tell you to solve the problems of mathematics step by step. You are even given step markings and marks are deducted when you directly write the answers without presenting the steps. This is not the case in the higher classes, but until 10th standard, this is the methodology that is followed in all the schools, all the boards. Have you ever thought that why do they ask you to do so? The reason behind this is you are taught to solve the problems of mathematics in a strategic way because this comes to your rescue in the future whenever you get stuck in any kind of problem, be it personal or professional. जिसने भी इस तरीके से पढ़ाई की होगी वो कभी किसी प्रॉब्लम में अटकेगा नहीं, बल्कि एनालाइज करेगा सिचुएशन को, एंड देन दैट पर्सन वुड थिंक व्हाट शुड बी माय फर्स्ट स्टेप, व्हाट आफ्टर दैट, and after that what should I do? And in this way that person will try to figure out the solution to the problem. ये तो मैंने एक छोटा सा एग्जाम्पल दिया है, but studies have proven that maths helps in logical thinking, critical thinking and analytical thinking. Maths shapes you in a particular way. It teaches you strategy. It teaches you plan of action. ये सब्जेक्ट उतना बुरा है नहीं जितना बच्चों ने इसको हवा बना रखा है. इट्स अ वेरी ब्यूटिफुल, वेरी नाइस, वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग सब्जेक्ट. बस डूबते जाओ, खूब मजा आएगा. Now the third and the biggest question, how to practice maths ताकि डर खत्म हो जाए, कॉन्सेप्ट्स क्लियर हो जाएं, and I start getting good grades in the exam. Now I will tell you a technique for this, but before that the disclaimer. And the disclaimer is that the technique that I will be sharing with you today is only for those kids who are weak in mathematics, जिनके concepts poor हैं, जिनके number अच्छे नहीं आते. This technique is not for those students who are preparing for JEE Mains, JEE Advanced, or any other maths Olympiad. Now, the technique says that whichever class you are in, that into 2 is the minimum number of sums that you should be practicing daily. For example, if a child is in the 7th grade, then 7 into 2 is the minimum number of sums that you should be practicing daily. Similarly, if a child is in the 9th grade, 9 into 2, 10th grade, 10 into 2. Daily, if you do at least this many number of sums, then within a time span of 21 to 30 days, you would start noticing that the phobia is vanishing, concepts धीरे धीरे clear होते जाएंगे, and you would definitely start becoming friendly with this particular subject. संस्कृत में एक श्लोक है, करत करत अभ्यास ते जड़मति होत सुजान. Practice does not make a man perfect, but consistent practice definitely makes a man perfect. I hope you liked this video. See you soon in the upcoming episodes of Inspiring Young Minds. Until then, stay tuned, stay happy, stay blessed. Namaskaram.